Namaskar. Welcome in online yoga class from Jindal Nature Cure Institute, Bangalore. I am Deepika and along with me Miss Hita. Stress is a common condition or a response to physical threat or psychological distress that generate a host of chemical and hormonal reaction in the body. Regular practice of yoga control blood pressure, calms the mind, improves sleep, and help to manage stress of modern living. So today we will teach you few yoga practices that will help one to manage their stress and anxiety of modern life. So let's start today's session with 3 types of Om chanting. For Om chanting, sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Keep your back, neck, head straight. Place your palms in Chin Mudra on your respective knee. Gently close your eyes. Observe your breath. Now inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of Om around you and in your body. ओम की कंपन को महसूस कीजिए वातावरण में और पूरे शरीर में. Now slowly open your eyes. Release your hands and legs position. Stretch your both legs forward. Shake your legs. First we are going to practice Hasta Parshvasana. For Hasta Parshvasana, you have to sit in Vajrasana. But if you are not able to sit in Vajrasana, then you can practice Hasta Parshvasana in cross-leg position. So for Vajrasana, bend your both knees, fold your both legs, sit in between your heels, toes touch each other, keep your back straight, head straight, place your palms on your thighs. This is a starting position of this asana. Now slowly bring your both hands back and make finger lock, palm facing inward. As you inhale, slowly lift your hands up, expand the chest, look up and breathe normal in this position. Try to maintain final position for comfortable time and feel the stretch towards your shoulder, towards your arms. Feel good expansion towards your chest and contraction towards your back. Slowly come back. As you exhale, bring your hands down, look straight. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए अगर आपके घुटनों में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द है और आप वज्रासन या किसी भी सिटिंग पोजीशन में ये आसन नहीं कर पाएँ तो आप इस आसन को चेयर पे या कॉट पर कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए चेयर पर बैठ जाएं पैरों को नीचे करके. Now bring your both hands back and make finger lock, palm facing inward. As you inhale, raise your both hands up as much as you can. Again expand your chest, bend head back, look up, breathe normal in final position. Hasta Parshvasana. Release stiffness from your shoulder, arms from your back. Increase lungs capacity. धीरे से वापस आएंगे. As you exhale, bring your hands down. Keep your head straight, look straight. Now open your finger lock, release your hand position and sit in any comfortable position. Stretch your both legs forward. Keep your back straight, head straight. Next we will practice Vakrasana, spinal twisting asana. Legs together. Place your palm beside of your buttock. Start with right leg. Bend your right knee, fold your right leg and place your right foot beside of your left knee. Remember, your ankle joint and knee should be in one line. Now bring your right hand back and place your right palm in line of your spine on mat. Left palm on left knee. This is the starting position. As you inhale, raise your left hand up and stretch your left hand up. As you exhale, bring your left hand down. First cross your right leg, then try to hold right big toe, ankle joint. If not possible, try to hold your calf muscle or knee. Then exhale, twist your waist towards right side. Look back in line of your shoulder. Breathe normal in final position. Try to keep both shoulders in one line, but do under your limitation. Feel the twist towards your waist, pressure towards your abdomen. Now slowly come back, look straight. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, bring your left hand down. Release your right hand position and stretch your right leg forward. Same practice with other side. Now bend your left knee, fold your left leg and place your left foot beside of your right knee. Check your position. Slowly bring your left hand back and place your left palm in line of your spine on mat. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, जो पैर मुड़ा होता है वही हाथ हम पीछे रखते हैं. Place your right palm on your right knee. As you inhale, raise your right hand up and stretch your right hand up. As you exhale, bring your right hand down. First cross your left leg, then try to hold your big toe. अगर आप पैर की अंगूठी को नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हैं तो टखने को पकड़ सकते हैं, नहीं तो काफ मसल या घुटने को पकड़ सकते हैं. अब श्वास छोड़ते हुए अपनी बाईं जांघ को उधर भाग की ओर दबाइए. कमर पर बाईं ओर मुड़ाव लेते हुए पीछे देखिए कंधे की सीध में. श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य रखिए, क्षमता के अनुसार कीजिए. Vakrasana, very effective practice for back, give strength to back muscle, good practice in obesity and other digestive disorder. Now slowly come back, first look straight. Inhale, raise your right hand up. As you exhale, bring your right hand down. Release your left hand position and stretch your left leg forward. Now shake your legs, relax for a while. Now we are going to practice few asanas on back. So with support of your hands, slowly lie down on the back. दोनों हाथों की सहायता लेते हुए धीरे से पीठ के बल ले जाइए. First asana we are going to do, that is Utthana Tadasana. For Utthana Tadasana, take position. Join your legs together, hands with the body and palm facing downward. This is a starting position. First, inhale deeply. As you exhale, slowly raise your both hands up above your head. Make finger lock. Turn your palms up. Then stretch your hand up and stretch your ankle and toes down. Stretch your whole body in opposite direction. Breathe normal in final position. Feel the effect of Utthana Tadasana. Feel the stretch. Release the stiffness from your shoulder, arms, back. Calms the mind, increase blood circulation. Now slowly come back. As you inhale, open your finger lock and bring your hands down. Release your legs position and relax for a while. एक बार और इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। उत्थान ताड़ासन के लिए दोनों पैरों को आपस में मिला लीजिए, हाथों को शरीर के साथ मिलाकर रखिए, हथेलियों की दिशा जमीन की ओर रखिए। अब पहले गहरी श्वास भीतर लीजिए, श्वास छोड़ते हुए दोनों हाथों को सिर के ऊपर की ओर ले जाएं, हाथों की उंगलियों को आपस में फंसाएं, हथेलियों की दिशा ऊपर बाहर की ओर रखिए। अब हाथों को ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए, पंजों को नीचे की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए। संपूर्ण शरीर को विपरीत दिशा में खींचें। श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य। आसन के प्रभाव को महसूस कीजिए। कुछ देर आसन की इस अवस्था को बनाए रखें। अब धीरे से वापस आएंगे, हाथों की उंगलियों को अलग कीजिए, श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से हाथों को पैरों की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए। विश्राम कीजिए शवासन में। Next we are going to practice Pavan Muktasan, wind relieving pose. For Pavan Muktasan, join your legs together, hands with the body, palm facing downward. This is a starting position. Now as you inhale, slowly raise your both legs up, bend your both knee, fold your both legs. Make finger lock, catch your shin. As you exhale, push your thigh towards your abdomen, push well. If you don't have neck pain, then as you inhale, slowly raise your head up and try to place your chin in between your knee. Breathing normal in final position. Feel the pressure towards your abdomen. Very, very effective practice in digestive disorder. Give strength to back muscle. Release physical stress and tension. Now slowly come back. First your head down. Open your finger lock, your hands down. As you inhale, raise your both legs up. As you exhale, slowly bring your both legs down. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, जिनको बैक पेन है वो पैरों को सीधा ऊपर नहीं उठाएंगे, पहले पैरों को घुटनों से मोड़ेंगे और फिर इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। हम बताते हैं आपको कि जिनको सीवियर बैक पेन है वो इस अभ्यास को कैसे करें। तो पहले ही पैरों को घुटनों से मोड़ लीजिए। अब धीरे से अपनी जांघ को उधर भाग की ओर लाएं, हाथों की उंगलियों को आपस में मिला लें, फंसा लें और घुटनों के नीचे से अपने पैरों को पकड़ लें। यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, अगर आपको नी पेन है तो आप अपनी जांघ को पकड़कर भी इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं। अगर गर्दन में दर्द है तो इस आसन में सिर को ऊपर नहीं उठाएंगे। इस तरह आसन का अभ्यास करें। श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य, पंजों को बाहर की ओर खींच कर रखिए। उदर भाग पर आ रहे दबाव को महसूस कीजिए। वेरी इफेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस इन ओबेसिटी, काम समान। धीरे से वापस आएंगे। पहले हाथों की स्थिति को खोल के हाथों को नीचे ले आइए। अब धीरे से श्वास छोड़ते हुए पैरों को नीचे ले आएं और मैट पे सीधा कर लीजिए। विश्राम कीजिए शवासन में। Next we will practice Markatasana, spinal twisting asana. For Markatasana, join your legs together. Stretch your hand in line of your shoulder side of your body, palm facing upward. Now bend your both knees, fold your both legs. Here your feet together, knees together. First inhale. As you exhale, move your both legs towards right side and turn your head towards left. Look in opposite direction. Close your eyes in final position and feel the effect of Markatasana. Feel the twist towards your waist. Markatasana stimulates the nervous system, give strength to back muscle, release stress and tension, control BP. Now slowly come back. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, move your both legs towards left side and slowly turn your head towards right. Look in opposite direction and maintain the final position with normal breath. Inhale, come back to center. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे. श्वास छोड़ते हुए दोनों पैरों को दाहिनी ओर घुमाइए, कमर पर मुड़ाव लेते हुए, और सिर को घुमाइए बाईं ओर. सिर को विपरीत दिशा में घुमाएं, देखें विपरीत दिशा में. श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य रखने का प्रयास कीजिए. अब श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से वापस आ जाएं. श्वास छोड़ते हुए पैरों को बाईं ओर घुमाएं और सिर को घुमाइए दाईं ओर. श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य. कुछ देर आसन की इस अवस्था को बनाए रखिए. श्वास लेते हुए दोनों पैरों को, घुटनों को बीच में ले आए, सिर को बीच में ले आए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए पैरों को आगे की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए. हाथों को पैरों की ओर सीधा करें. विश्राम करें शवासन में. Next we will practice Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. For Setu Bandhasan, join your legs together, hands with the body, palm facing downward. Now bend your both knee, fold your both leg, feet apart, knees apart according to shoulder level. दोनों पैरों के पंजों में और घुटनों में कंधे जितनी दूरी ले लीजिए. Hands straight towards your legs and palm facing downward. This is starting position. As you inhale, lift your buttock up. Make good curve towards your spine. Then bend your both hands elbow. Place your palm on lower back. With support of your palm, try to lift your back more and more up. Push your chest towards your chin and maintain the final position with normal breath. Setu Bandhasan, release physical and mental stress and tension. Give strength to back, make your spine flexible, increase lungs capacity. So this asana is very, very effective practice in respiratory disorder. Now slowly come back, first your hands down. As you exhale, slowly bring your buttock back down. पैरों को इसी अवस्था में रखिए. श्वास पर श्वास को सामान्य कीजिए. एक बार और इस आसन का अभ्यास करेंगे. अब धीरे से श्वास लेते हुए हथेलियों को जमीन पे दबाते हुए नितंब और कमर भाग को क्षमता के अनुसार ऊपर उठाएं. हाथों को कोहनी से मोड़ के हथेलियों को कमर के निचले हिस्से पर रखें और हथेलियों की सहायता लेते हुए कमर भाग को और ऊपर उठाने का प्रयास कीजिए. आसन की अंतिम अवस्था में श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य रखिए. सेतु बंधासन, इफेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस इन थायराइड. नाउ स्लोली कम बैक. पहले धीरे से हाथों को नीचे ले आएं. श्वास छोड़ते हुए नितंब और कमर भाग को नीचे लाएं. पैरों को आगे की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए और विश्राम कीजिए शवासन में. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़िए, सजगता श्वास पर श्वास पर. Now we are going to practice few asanas on abdomen. So slowly first come to sitting position. Join your legs together. Raise your right hand above your head on mat. Slowly bend your left knee. Take turn towards right side. With support of your hands, come to sitting position. Now slowly lie down on the abdomen. Keep your head towards us. On abdomen, first we are going to practice Sarpasan. For Sarpasan, join your legs together, heels together, toes outward. यहाँ ध्यान रखिए जिन्हें सीवियर बैक पेन है वो दोनों पैरों के बीच में हल्की सी दूरी रख सकते हैं. Now please chin on mat. Bring your both hands back and make finger lock, palm facing inward. As you inhale, slowly raise your head. shoulder, chest, abdomen. Raise your both hands up as much as you can. Bend your head little back, look up. Breathe normal in final position. Feel the good contraction towards your back, good stretch towards your arms, good expansion towards your chest. This asana improves breathing, stimulate the nervous system. Slowly come back. As you exhale, bring your chest down, shoulder down, chin on mat. हाथों को इसी अवस्था में रखिए, उंगलियों को फंसाकर रखिए। एक बार और इस आसन का अभ्यास करें। श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से सिर, कंधा, छाती को ऊपर उठाएं। हाथों को भी क्षमता के अनुसार ऊपर उठाएं और हाथों को पीछे की ओर खिंचा दीजिए। दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर रखिए। श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य रखिए। इस आसन की अंतिम अवस्था को 15 सेकंड तक बनाए रखिए। अब धीरे से वापस आएंगे। श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे से छाती, ठोड़ी को नीचे लाएं। हाथों की स्थिति को खोल दीजिए। विश्राम कीजिए मकर आसन में। Place your palm one over the other. Place chin on your palm, legs apart. Keep loose your body and relax. Next practice is Ardha Shalabhasan, half locust pose. Ardha Shalabhasan is complementary asana of Sarpasana. For Ardha Shalabhasan, join your legs together, heels together, toes outward. Now place chin on mat. Bring your both hands back and place your palm under your thighs, palm facing upward. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, पूरे अभ्यास में आपको अपनी ठुड्डी को ऊपर नहीं उठाना है। As you inhale, slowly raise your right leg up as much as you can, but don't lift your pelvic up. Your right leg should be straight and toes pointed outward. Maintain final position with normal breath. As you exhale, bring your right leg down. Same with other leg. As you inhale, raise your left leg up. Legs should be straight, toes pointed outward, breathe normal. Exhale, slowly bring your left leg down. Shalabhasan, very effective practice for lower back. Ardha Shalabhasan, effective practice in varicose vein. Give a strength to back muscle. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे। श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से दाहिने पैर को क्षमता के अनुसार ऊपर उठाएं। पैर को सीधा रखिए, पंजा बाहर की ओर खींचा हुआ। श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य। धीरे से वापस आएंगे। श्वास छोड़ते हुए दाहिने पैर को नीचे ले आइए। यही अभ्यास बाएं पैर के साथ। श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से बाएं पैर को क्षमता के अनुसार ऊपर उठाएं। आसन की अंतिम अवस्था में श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य। श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे से बाएं पैर को नीचे ले आइए। हाथों की स्थिति को खोल दीजिए। विश्राम कीजिए मकर आसन में। Release your hands position and relax in Makar Asana. Now we are going to practice pranayam. For pranayam practice, come to sitting position. Join your legs together. Place your palm beside of your chest. Inhale, raise your head, shoulder, chest, abdomen. Stand on knees. Exhale, bring your buttocks down. Stretch your both hands forward, head down. Inhale, slowly raise your hands, head, shoulder, chest up. Now release your legs position and sit in any comfortable meditative posture. प्राणायाम के अभ्यास के लिए किसी भी आरामदायक ध्यानात्मक स्थिति में बैठिए. Place your palms in chin mudra on your respective knee. Keep your back straight, head straight. We are going to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you have to adopt mudra. With left hand, adopt chin mudra and place on left knee. With right hand, adopt Nasikagra mudra. Fold your index finger and middle finger and place at base of thumb. Keep your back straight, head straight. Now close your right nostril with right thumb. Inhale slowly, deeply through left nostril. Expand your chest. Close your left nostril with ring finger and hold the breath 5 seconds in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open your right nostril and slowly exhale through right nostril. Relax your chest. After complete exhalation, inhale through right only. Close your right nostril with thumb. Hold the breath 5 seconds in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open your left and slowly exhale through left. This is one round of Anulom Vilom. You have to practice few more rounds. अभ्यास जारी रखिए. दाईं नासिका को बंद कर कर बाईं नासिका से धीरे धीरे श्वास को भीतर लीजिए. दोनों नासिकाओं को बंद कर श्वास भीतर ही रोकिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब दाईं नासिका खोलिए और दाईं नासिका से धीरे धीरे श्वास को बाहर निकालिए. फिर दाईं नासिका से ही श्वास को भीतर लीजिए. दोनों नासिकाओं को बंद कर श्वास भीतर रोकिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब बाईं नासिका खोलिए और बाईं नासिका से धीरे धीरे श्वास को बाहर निकालिए. Practice 2 more rounds by yourself. Close your eyes, keep your back straight. Your exhalation time should be longer than your inhalation time. Don't produce any sound while inhalation and exhalation. Anulom Vilom Pranayam purify body and mind, increase the efficiency of respiratory organs. Release stress and tension, improves sleep, calms the mind. Slowly exhale through left nostril, complete the round and stop the practice of Anulom Vilom. Bring your right hand down, observe the breath. Next pranayam is Bhramari Pranayam. In Bhramari Pranayam, you have to inhale and exhale through both the nostril. But while exhalation, you have to produce humming bee sound from throat and nose. Throughout the practice, you have to keep your awareness at eyebrow center. We are going to practice 3 rounds. जिन्होंने चश्मा पहन रखा है चश्मा उतार लीजिए. Now close your ear flap with your thumb. Place your index finger on your forehead. Other 3 fingers keep on your closed eyes. Inhale deeply. After 3 rounds, slowly release your hands position. Bring your hands down Feel the vibration of Bhramri towards your head region. Bhramri pranayam increases concentration, improves memory, leads you towards meditation. Very effective practice and disturbs sleep. आँखों को बंदी रखिए. कक्षा के अंत में हम 1 ओम और 3 बार शांति का उच्चारण करेंगे. गहरी श्वास लें. ओम शांति 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 ही. Now slowly release your hands position. Rub your palm with each other, make them warm. Make cup shape of your palm and keep on your closed eyes. Relax your eyes. Open your eyes inside your palms, blink your eyes. Now slowly bring your hands down. Namaskar, Dhanyavad. Thank you for being with us. See you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Have a nice evening.